are now in the Northern Cascades National Park, which turns out to be a very, very remote national park, and one that is not frequented very much apparently. And we're just beginning our day by going to look at some waterfalls that fall down into the Skagit River.
I think this is a dam up ahead.
Oh, this is
the Gorge Dam we're going to.
Oh, we're not seeing waterfalls?
Not yet, later. Maybe. I think we're just going to see the gorge and the dam. We are on the Sourdough Creek Trail in the Northern Cascades National Park, in a really diverse forest with maples and cedars and hemlocks and all different kinds of plants and trees. It's ferntastic and mossnificent.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and click notify to see new content. Thanks for watching.
In deep space, between the Sun and Earth, humanity's last hope orbits at the L1 Lagrange point, Eden Station. With our world on the brink of collapse, humanity's survival depends on the energy harvested from our life-giving star, the Sun. But deep space is a dangerous place for humans. The Sun regularly bombards Eden with furious coronal mass ejections of high-energy particles. This makes working on Eden very hazardous for humans. One creation holds the key to our future: Adam, the first ever advanced artificial super general intelligence robot. Only a robot can work long-term in safety on the life-giving Eden Station. Mary and Judd are tasked with training and testing Adam to become commander of Eden Station. But even in the depths of space, conflict brews. The shadows of the past emerge, threatening to destroy everything. Adam, the Son of Man, a tale of artificial intelligence, human resilience, and the search for redemption in the darkest of times. Discover the future, embrace the unknown, experience the epic journey. Adam, the Son of Man. Available now on Amazon.